student, today we are going to solve question paper 2024 English core section C literature part. Okay, so today we are going to solve session as already set. I have told set 3 we are going to solve. So one part, reading part, already we have solved for 22 marks. If you haven't watched that video, so go and watch it and match the answer. Then today we are going to solve section C. Section B, writing part, you can check your answer. The separate video I have uploaded for the writing, so you can match the according to the format. If you have followed the format, you can score the marks like that. So B part, separate video already I have uploaded. Today we are going to solve the question of section C literature part for 40 marks, as you all know, for the 40 marks. Okay, so here the textbook and supplementary reading text. So from the textbook passage we are going to solve, and it will start for the question 7. Am I clear? So yes, you will match your answers and evaluate how many marks you are scoring. Okay, so here just again questions are from question 7. Your literature question will start. Question 3, 4 and 5, 6. The writing part question. Okay. So continue student. The question is the extract has been taken from the roadside stand. The extract I hope you all have read. So the correct answer of the question is, which of the following expression has the same literary device as used in? The line given here, a roadside stand that the apathetically play. So which, it means here, which line here, the option C would be correct here. A brutal wind bullied the tree. So this question, the first question, option C will be correct. Okay, according to that. Now look at the question. Question number 7, second part of the question 7. Second question. Select the option that apathy conveys the poet's point of view with reference to the above extract. The roadside stand is put up with the purpose to. Yeah. The correct option will be again the C option will be correct. To do business. This option. If अगर आप ये ऑप्शन लिख के आए हैं, फर्स्ट में सी ऑप्शन लिख के आए हैं और सेकंड क्वेश्चन में भी ये ऑप्शन लिख के आए हैं, तो आपका आंसर सही है. अब देखते हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन. What do you infer about the people who put up the roadside stand from the phrase would not be fair to say for a dole of bread? So you have to write accordingly. The third question, expression. So you have to, if this question, expression based question, if your expression regarding that, not looking for charity and alms, self-respecting people. So if your sense, you will write about this, about the charity and self-respecting people, then definitely you will score 1 mark. As you all know, this passage for the 6 marks. 6 marks for each. It is 6 question for 6. 6 question for 6 marks. Okay. So now continue the question 4. Complete the following sentence with reference to the extract. The word pathetically reflect the here that condition of the roadside stand. So there pathetically, you all know the pathetically means the miserable and pitiable and poor. If used according to the sense anyone you have written, so definitely you will get 1 mark. Now the fifth one. State whether the following statement is true or false. You have to write the true or false part. So here it is this statement is false. So this much is. Now the sixth question. Based on the rhyme scheme evident in line 1-4, which word would rhyme with line 2? So clearly it is written. If you read the rhyme scheme of the word, so here the answer would be the flip. So this first track we have solved. If you have chosen the A part, so this would be the correct answer. Okay. Now you can match your answer. Now look at the question 7 B part. Question 7 B part. As you all know, there would be the option or A or B. You have to choose any one. So B part, we will discuss the B part questions, which has been, this extract has been taken from Aunt Jennifer's Tiger chapter. Okay. So here are the option. The question I will read and I will tell you the correct option. As you can see here, already I have written all the correct answer here. Sits, question 1. Question 1 I am reading. First part I am reading. Sits heavenly upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. Through the above expression, the poet indicates, it means through this expression, sits heavenly upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. So here, according to the expressions, the C option would be correct. As you can see here, C option, Aunt Jennifer's unhappy married life. Unhappy married life. If you would have prepared the chapter, you can choose the, and if you have chosen this option, definitely you will score 1 mark. Now look at the second question. Select the option that has the same literary device as used in still ringed with ordeals. So here, this option, the A option would be correct. Here, A option would be correct. This one the C option and here the A option. Leopards cannot hide in the jungle as they are spotted. So here this option A option would be correct. If you have written, अगर आप ये A option लिख दिए हैं तो आपको 1 mark मिल गया होगा. Okay. Now the next question. Third question. Complete the following sentence with reference to the extract. The tiger in the panel symbolized. So tiger in the panel symbolized means Aunt Jennifer's strong desire. It means it shows the Aunt Jennifer strong desire, fearless, courage or freedom. So if you have written the sense of all these, so definitely you will get 1 mark. Okay. Now the fifth one is based on the rhyme scheme evident in line 1-2, which word would rhyming with the 1? So here very clearly I have written the pull. The fifth one is the pull. Fourth one false. I have already written. Fourth one is the statement is the false. The fourth one. State whether the statement given below is true or false. So the false. It is also false. Now the fifth one we have solved. The fourth we have solved. Now the sixth one. The use of the word fluttering finger in the extract suggests that the finger of Aunt Jennifer are trembling. This creates an image of, what image? Weak, terrified, nervous Aunt Jennifer's fear. So this sentence images of all these. If you have written all these weak and terrified, all these sense, definitely you will score 1 mark. So student, These are the solution. These are the solution. The answer, correct answer I have written. Match your answer out of 6 question 7. How many you are scored? Okay. So now you can just note the answers. Now look at the question 8. Okay. Question 8 for 4 marks. 4 question for 4 marks. Okay. So look here, question A part. First of all, we will solve the A part. A part question. Extract, as you can see here, the A part extract has been taken from the memories of childhood. Okay. So A part has been taken from the memories of the childhood. And the question is, select the appropriate option. Sound comes nearer and nearer. So correct option would be here the B. Adds suspense and anxiety to readers. Okay. So this would be your correct option. If you have to choose, अगर आप बी ऑप्शन चूज करके आए तो आपको डेफिनेटली 1 मार्क मिलेगा, कोई डाउट नहीं. सीबीएसई जरूर कंसिडर करेगी इस आंसर को. आप आंसर मैच कर लीजिए और जितने मार्क्स आपके आएंगे डेफिनेटली यू विल going to get this mark. Okay. Now the second question. Complete the following sentence. In spite of myself suggest that the speaker was. So here the second one, you have this according to sense you have to write against her will forcefully carried this downstairs. So these types of sense you have to write in this second option, second answer. Okay. Now the third one. What do you infer from the first line of the extract? So here the B option would be correct here. Here the B option would be correct. She did not want to get caught. Now the fourth one. Statement whether state whether the statement given below is true or false. So already I have written it is the false. Now all the 4 question 8 would be for 4 marks. अगर आप ये चारों ऑप्शन लिख के आए हैं क्वेश्चन 8 में तो डेफिनेटली 4 में 4 आपको मिल गया होगा. आप जरूर. अब देखते हैं सेकंड. अगर आपने ए ऑप्शन चूज किया है तो अगर अभी हम देखते हैं कि अगर आपने बी ऑप्शन किया है, ये है जर्नी टू द एंड ऑफ द इस चैप्टर से लिया गया है. इस क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसका दिया गया है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द व्यू एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय द ऑथर इन द अबव एक्सट्रैक्ट इंक्रीज इन ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर इज ड्यू टू. ठीक है. तो इसमें आपका आंसर जो है वो सी ऑप्शन सही है, बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल. ओके, बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल fuel. So here this option would be C option would be correct. Now look at the second question. Complete the following sentence with reference to the extract. Humans are criticized by the author dash. So here the second option. Create a Rukuj and itching here dominates over the nature with the villagers. If you these sense you have written, so here author for the humans criticized for dominance over nature with the villages. So this fact, if you have written this itching dominance over nature, so this option if you have written the dominance over nature, so if you have highlight, if you have written this fact, so definitely you will get 1 marks. Okay. Now the third question. According to the author, the relation between women population and the resources is, what would be the correct? That increase in population leads to scarcity of the resources. So this would be the correct option. Now the fourth one. In that story amount of time, we have managed to create a Rukus. By Rukus, the author refers to commotion. So D option would be here. The D option would be correct. So all the question here, question 8 we have solved for 4 marks, and or the A and B both part we have discussed. Now you can match your answers. Now look at the question 9. Question 9. This question for 6 marks. Okay. So question 9, as you can see here, ninth question, the last lesson. This extract has been taken from the last lesson. Okay. Question 1 is given, and now you see where you have come out. The tone of M. Hamel in the above line is that of regret. C option. इसका सही ऑप्शन क्या है? रिग्रेट. सी ऑप्शन इसका सही ऑप्शन है. अभी सेकेंड देखिए. Second question, we have all the great deal to approach ourselves with. Select the option which conveys the meaning of reproach as reflect in the above line. So in this here, the option A would be correct. Here, option A would be correct. The player. Here this one A. The player received a reprimanded for breach of the rules. This option would be correct. Now the third one, state whether the following statement is true or false with reference to the extract. M. Hallam endorses the belief that there is plenty of time to learn their language. So it would be false. ये क्या होगा? ये आपका false होगा. अभी देखिए fourth one. Complete the sentence appropriately. You must feel bad enough. Through these words, M. Hamel urges the people what? To realize. Fourth one. To realize their mistake. Why urge? To realize their. ये सेंस अगर आप लिखिए to realize them तो आपका सही होगा. Fifth. Question 5th, identify the line from the text that reinforces the theme of patriotism in the story. So, how is it? You pretended. So, this part if you have to be the Frenchman. If you have written this part, then you will get 1 mark. Here. She puts off learning till tomorrow. The phrase put off suggests procrastinated and delayed. It will puts off means the delays. If you have it is says the meaning of that. So procrastinates and that the delay. So we have discussed the A part. Student, this is A part. All these questions would be right if you have written this answer. अगर आप ये सब आंसर लिखे तो डेफिनेटली आपको 6 मार्क मिल जाएंगे. अगर आपने बी डिसाइड किया, बी पार्ट डिसाइड किया है, so we are going to discuss this indigo. This extract has been taken from the part indigo. Now we will discuss the answer. The first one, the B option would be uncompromising would be correct. Second, C. Second question, dash deceitfully extorted from the sharecropper. So here the sharecropper. The statements the sharecropper as the inferred from the above lines is C option. Victims of the exploitation. So be this one is B on answer, and here the C option would be correct. Now look at the question 3. Complete the following sentence. Gandhi surprised them by third. Here, Gandhi surprised the following sentence. So here the accepting 25 refund offer. So here this fact, if you written this fact, it would be the correct option. Fourth one, the inference that can be drawn from the line Mr. Gandhi took him at the word is fourth answer class. Here trusted, believed the word of the speaker. So this would be correct answer. Here. Now the fifth, deadlock in the last line means, deadlock means here the stalemate, to come to a standstill. So this is the meaning of the statement. Now the sixth and last question of this. What do we infer about the attitude of the planters towards the sharecroppers? So here the domineering and looked down upon them. So these are the correct answer we have written here. If you have written all these answers, so definitely you will get 6 marks of 9 questions. Okay. So all the question from the B section we have solved. MCQs question we have solved. Question number 10 and 11. 12, 10 and 11 short question as you can see here. So it up to your writing part. This is the writing part. So you will get and 12, 11 also. So teachers, so now this is the solution of your section C and the question 9. You can match your answers. So student, we have solved English question paper class 12 section C literature part extract based question. Extract book question we have solved. I hope it would be helpful to you all and you will take advantage of that. If you like my video, hit the like button. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notification if I upload any new video. Thanks for watching.